What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to each and every one of you. Any which part in this world you are, or any which part in this world you're there. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How to do? How to stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. If you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, or make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you're broke and have no money, don't worry yourself. Wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do some wellness check on your friends and family. Make sure everybody is all right. Domestic violence, guys, is on a rise. Look out for each and every one around you, woman and man, because domestic violence is not only on woman, it's both ways. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy belated birthday. If yesterday was your birthday, and if tomorrow is your birthday, happy soon come birthday. My viewers and subscribers, again, I want to say thank you very much for you watch the videos, like the videos, and share the videos. And guys, thank you very much to each and every one of my subscribers. Guys, remember to watch the videos, like the videos, and guys, thumbs up the video them as soon as you come in. Yes, guys, and watch the ads them, because you don't know how we get paid. Anyway, guys, me just don't understand why some people just don't have no mind. Some people just don't have no mind. Me just don't know what word to really use in this situation. But last night, me come in and me go up on YouTube. And when me go up on YouTube, me see a thumbnail. And the thumbnail have my picture upon it. When the thumbnail have my picture upon it, me I say, what is this truck boy? This truck boy, I tell Colorsmith, say if it be weird of me and he must be afraid of me, all kind of things. No, this is not the first time this truck boy did that. Now, my thing to this truck boy, who is more to be afraid of than you? No. Hold on a little bit. Who is to be afraid of more than you? You are more to be afraid of than anybody else on this YouTube stream. And I go tell you why. I go play some videos and then I'm going to talk about why people should be afraid of you more than me. I'm going to explain. So I'm going to slide over here, so. I'm going to put him right over there, so him can do him talking. So while him talk, first I go play one video of him bashing and talking good about Alicia Kim and saying things about Bo Maki in Naaman. Then I go play another one, and then we're going to have a dialogue about this little shit in a truck. All right, let me sit right there, so I don't know, watch what he must say.
Sit down on phone so long, so all of them they gonna start bother you know. You know what I mean? But for you, boo, we bring, you know, the person from elsewhere and bring him come to keep your company, because I look like a company you did look. You was lonely and you get the chance to get company, and I feel like you was looking company. I don't feel like it was really looking a relationship. You was looking company, because if you was looking a relationship, you'd look your companion. You know, you'd look somebody way older than your age. You know what I mean? Because Everybody can see there's a lot of insecurity there. A lot. From him lock away him ex-wife from having friends and even having friends come over, you can know that insecurity. Because once Mama start have friend, you know, she started to go out. She might hit one and two party. And Boo look like he's not a man that really party or go to clubs or them look something there. You know what I mean? So I feel like say Boo make him insecurity and trust issue get in the way of the relationship which caused the divorce. Because even though the ex-wife said she tried to work on it, she served twice and she ignored the divorce paper. I don't know why she you know, forfeit the divorce paper and didn't want to sign or didn't want to respond. You know what I mean? I don't know if she sees something that she was holding on and hoping that she can accomplish because her mission never accomplished. I don't know, because everybody's saying that Alicia Kim come with a mission. And a mission is to take what she can and go. But I don't believe that, because from she come here, she do YouTube people. From she come here, she do a lot of YouTube video. And see, him ex-husband there, big YouTuber too. Him channel big, man. Boo lifestyle is big. You know what I mean? And he was, and see, him ex-husband there, big YouTuber too. Him channel big, man. Boo lifestyle is big. You know what I mean? And he was doing great. So I don't know how he gets so bad mind. How he gets so devious towards his wife. You know what I mean? Do Boo think that she have a next man with him? And they have to understand. Everything did alright for true, you know. After the prank, you know what I mean? That stem a part of it. But you know, based off a previous video, Boo was saying that when Alicia Kim come up and, you know what I mean, based off what did portray to Alicia Kim, based on what Boo, you know, bring to the table, you know, before them get married and after them get married. You know what I mean? Alicia Kim come with an expectation that, you know, okay, we are going to spend 6 months in the house, in your sister place, and then we are going to get one place. You know what I mean? But Boo always saying that him commend him wife for being a go-getter. Because Boo look like a person when, you know, the ex-wife bring any ideas, him drag him foot because him never interested, because, you know, Boo is worrying about the kids them. And basically when I say Boo kids them, I'm talking about the pigeon, right? But in the previous video, Boo saying that yes, the ex-wife bring up, say, you know, we need to get our own place. We need to, you know what I mean, be more convenient and have our own space, you know what I mean? We not have to worry about nothing anymore. You know what I mean? Boo was agreeing, or Boo agree, but basically, it look like time catch up on Boo. Yes, man, it look like time catch up on Boo. And everybody can see it's Alicia Kim is a go-getter, and she's very smart. You know what I mean? And basically, I don't know her sign. Yes, I don't really know her birth sign, but, you know, she's really, when she set her mind to something, she going to do it, she going to do it. That's where the ex-husband say as well too. So everybody can see that, you know, Alicia Kim is a go-getter. And once you have a female or you know, your husband or whatever, your wife in your life, and that person is a go-getter, you know, it's a keeper. You know what I mean? But Boo was confused, because I even hear a lot of speculation that Boo did married 2 times before he married to the ex-wife now, right? This present ex-wife. But Boo did marry about 2 to 3 times. Nobody know the cause of it, because, you know, Boo can have a mental problem. Boo, you can see that Boo have a trust issue as well. Boo have a big trust issue. He not trust himself, and him not going to trust his partner as well. So everybody can see that Boo have a trust issue. You know what I mean? I know nothing where you hide. You know what I mean? Him have a big insecurity things, although him like to give and take back. You know, we are going to bypass that. You know what I mean? He's an older guy. So him really look like him not really know what he's doing. But you have to understand that Boo go through a lot, you know. And it's so surprising that.
So guys, you all hear Rumram, the shit in a truck guy attack. Now, the reason why I even make this video is just to show you who Rumram really is. Rumram, you not have no sense. Rumram, let me say this to you. Say, what you need to do, you need to go find peace with your family. You need to go and find peace with your family because if you notice, you have two brothers who have YouTube channel. You have two brothers who have a YouTube channel. Remember, J Progress is your brother. BA1 is your brother. Have you ever heard those two men call your name? Or have you ever heard those two guys big up your name? Why those two guys who is your blood brother have never used your name on their channel? Why those two guys have never said big up Rumram the Trucker? Oh, hold on. One time, J Progress said people go give a strength to the Rumram the Trucker. He did not say give a strength to my brother, Rumram the Trucker. Why did he not say that? Because of your lifestyle. Remember, we all are Jamaicans. We don't like people we touch bat. We don't like people we go on a back. Remember, Tressa leave a voice note. Say, you, I forgot. Remember that, Not me say it. She said. She said that she was there when you were taking pipe. Just remember that. So when you're going to come out and make videos about Color Smith should be afraid of me, Color Smith must be aware of me, Color Smith know who I am already. Because guess what happened? Color Smith knew that when I go make video, if there is something wrong, I'm going to talk about it. If something right, I'm going to talk about it. Color Smith know. Everybody know how I am. Because guess what? Me no near my people yard. Me do not near a people yard. So because of that, I can make videos clear, fair, and straight. I'm not a one-sided person to make videos. I'm not like you. No, I'm not like you. I'm nothing like you, and I could not be anything like you. But the reason why you come out and I make the video about color should be afraid of me is because me lick up your quiche team member, one of your Drunkertown member. So all I want to feel say, come out and attack me. But you have to remember, I walk alone. I make video alone. I do my things myself. I don't have a group of people like all of you. Remember that. But guys, Rumram is the kind of person that everybody should be afraid of. Every single person should be afraid of Rumram because Rumram was beating Mackie, call Mackie Green Lizard, call Mackie all sort of name, Mr. Tekiba. But the same person who was beating Mackie is the same person who turned against Alicia Kim because Alicia Kim never dealt with him. Rumram, remember you was the one who was DMing Alicia Kim. And Alicia Kim never answered any of your DM until Alicia Kim said, Rumram, remember you was all about Alicia Kim. Until Alicia Kim said she pregnant, you flipped the switch because you was looking to have a relationship with Alicia Kim while you were married. Remember that, Me I go rephrase back the things to you. Remember that you was DMing Alicia Kim while you were married, looking Alicia Kim, and because Alicia Kim never dealt with you, you flip the switch and turn on her. When you is going to make video about people must be aware of me and be afraid of me, who is the one who people need to be aware of and be afraid of? Me or you? Tell me the truth. Me or you? Which one of us people should be afraid of? Me or you? When I make my video about Alicia Kim doing the prank with Mackie's son, I make a video and says, no, that one was wrong. Me not like that one. Yes, me make a video like that. I am not the kind of person who is going to beat around bush. When I make a video, I make a couple videos about Color Smith and things that he was doing that don't connect with me. That's how I am. So when you're going to make video, think about yourself first before you make a video talking about who a person should be aware of. A person should be aware of you more than me because you are the one who you carry feelings. You carry feelings. I don't. I don't carry feelings for nothing or for nobody because you are the one where carry feelings for Alicia Kim because you know get in your get our body to play around with because you're married. You already married and I throw DM in a Alicia Kim phone. I look her and she never reply or answer to any of your calls, texts, or any of your messages. And because of that, because she says she's pregnant, you turn around and start to beat her. I didn't do that. I never do that. I couldn't do that. I would never do that. I would never carry vagina feelings for no woman. I would never come on YouTube and disgrace no woman like what you do. I would never drag any woman in the mud like what you do for over a year and a half. I talk about some ladies. I talk about Chrissy and CMR. And I could be dragging Chrissy and CMR up till right now because of the information I have about her. I have them, but I don't put them out there because guess what? I'm not trying to be a downfall of nobody career or nobody life like you. Listen, I could be dragging Chrissy in the mud up till now with the amount of information I have. But I am nothing like you. So don't come and mix me up in your dirty folly and in your dirty life. Because I am nothing like you. So when you're going to come out and say, tell people, oh, beware of him, be afraid of him, and all those things, you are the one that people should be aware of and afraid of. Your own family, your own brothers don't communicate with you because of your lifestyle. Go and worry about that lifestyle. I believe your whispers should be connected. You need to make a contact with whisper because whisper take it in your mouth and you take it round at the back. You need to contact whisper. Say you are worthless boy, whole fishy. You need to contact whisper. And who can change around. Who not to go too far to who can have one another. So guys, hear me out. Avoid me. This me not gonna really make a next video towards you still because this video is just to make you know and others know. Say you is the one who need to be people need to be afraid of because you are the one who flip and flap and then carry feelings for the lady because the lady didn't answer your DM and because the lady says she's pregnant. Not me. So you need to worry about yourself. In other words, pick the bean out of your eyes before you try to pick it out of somebody else. And you coming out here at, I say my second time you come out here and tell colors, say colors should be, second time I see you. But let me tell you something. You think colors stupid? Or you think colors are fool like you? Colors is nothing like you. So the thing is, colors know who to say A or B to. Colors know who to do anything to with. So just so you know, colors is not like Mackie. Just so you know that. Colors can do anything he want to do because colors is colorsmith. Learn those things, man. Learn those things before you come out making videos looking stupid. You know so much content out there. Me never see you. Because I don't look for shit in a trucking. So, my viewers and subscribers, this was just a little video me I make just to show you and make this guy know say, go and go fix your family because your two brothers not even appear your mind as a content creator. Them not even call your name as a content creator. You don't even call your name as a content creator. Why? Because you shit up. Your fishy lifestyle, them not like it. My viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.